This house will change your life. That's no exaggeration. Every aspect of this Atlanta home was designed to help you live longer, happier, and healthier. The kitchen has a built-in grow room, so fresh veggies are always within arm's reach. The formal living room was turned into a wellness center where you can spin, meditate, and get ready to namaste the day. Is this a hotel? No, it's the master bedroom. And check out this luxe master bathroom. It could rival any spa. Shimmery tiles bounce light, making the whole room glow. There's also the closet of your dreams, with spaces to organize everything. It even has a built-in steamer, so you never have to iron again. Are you kidding me? But that's not even the best part. Look at this porch! It's designed to bring the outdoors in. Even the dog can live his best life. Can you believe that's a doggy door? The kids' room even features a closet inspired by The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. It has a hidden ladder leading to Narnia, or whatever you imagine the loft to be. How cool is that? You can see it all in House Beautiful's November issue. Pick up your copy now.